Hey, what is going on YouTube? It is Supreme Guru and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a friend to Snapchat. So if you don't know how to add a friend to Snapchat, then I suggest that you stay tuned to this video. So the first thing that you need to do is hit up Snapchat. Okay, so now that we're in our main screen, we want to hit our Bitmoji or our profile icon that's in the top left hand corner, and in here you can see that there is an add friends option. Now you can add a friend three main ways. You can add them by their username, you can add them by their snap code, or you can add them from your phone contact list. So if I tap into add friends, in here where it gives you the search bar at the very top, this is where you would type in the username of somebody that you wanted to add. Now obviously if you didn't know the username to that person, you would have to ask that person for their username. So I'm just going to type in a username so I can show you exactly what I mean. So then whenever you've typed in the username, you can see that there is an add option to add this friend to your friends list. So that is adding someone from their username. The next option that you have is adding someone from your contact list. So I'm going to hit add friends and click on contacts. So in here, this will show the list of contacts that I have stored on my phone. I can add them just by hitting the add button. And then the last option to add somebody is a snap code. Now if you're not quite sure what a snap code is, all you have to do is go back to your main screen and then go to your profile again. And in here where it has your main icon at the very top, just tap on that. This is your snap code. Or you can save snap code to your camera roll, or you can get someone to take a picture of your snap code, and it means that they can add you as their friend. When they've got the picture saved to their gallery, all you have to do is hit add friends, go to snap code, and that picture will show in your main gallery. So guys, that is how you add a friend with Snapchat. If you found this video helpful in any way whatsoever, then hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. I am a tech YouTuber from Northern Ireland, and if this is your first time here, then welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time.